What's up, my beautiful people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new in this beauty channel for the very first time, you are highly welcome and welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that will cut down those belly fat rapidly. Alright, so know that one of the things that actually build up this fat is fatty food, carbohydrate, not sleeping on time, not drinking too much of water, and bad diet. Okay, like junk food. Okay, so you have to know this to be able to prevent them. Yeah, and also you would have to walk a little, like not like exercise, but walking. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, because when you do all of those things and then you take this drink that I'm going to be showing you, all of your belly fats will be cut down and your stomach is going to be very flat. Yeah, okay, so let's dive into the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let us go. So to cut down extreme stubborn fats, you're going to be needing to use this, and this is coconut. Now in this, we're going to be using the coconut juice. Okay, this is actually very good for the body. It helps so much, and we're going to be using it alongside with other natural remedy, which is actually going to help us so much to cut down all of the belly fat. Yeah, so how we're going to be doing this is that we're just going to be okay guys, so to make this easy, I'm going to be creating it, but of course you can actually cut your coconut into little tiny pieces, and then you would have to blend it, which is also easy. But just to show you how I process all of this, I'm actually going to choose the option of creating it, which is also simple for me. So I've created enough. I don't need too much. So now what I'm going to do is that even if you're blending, you would have to add up a little water to blend. Yeah, but since I didn't blend, I'm also going to add up a little water to get the coconut milk. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to sieve this out. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be straining this out for us to get the coconut milk. So this is the coconut milk. Yeah, and the next thing we're going to be needing is green tea. Okay guys, so if you have moringa tea, you can actually make use of moringa tea also. This is actually very better. Now green tea actually helps to remove stubborn fat. It helps so much to reduce the fat cells in your body, therefore cleaning the colon. Taking this in the morning would effectively help to remove all excessive fat or cut down the weight. Yeah, so what you're going to do is that we're going to be taking a cup, and then we're going to be putting the green tea bag into the cup, and what we'll need next now is hot water. All right, so you're going to boil water, and then you're going to pour it into the green tea bag. And the next thing is that you're going to give it a little time for it to induce perfectly well into the water. Yeah, all right, so I'm going to be keeping it aside, and the next thing you're going to be putting in is lemon. Now our local lemon is usually green, okay, before it turns lemon color. Yeah, so this is lemon, not lime. Lemon is actually very helpful in terms of removing belly fat. It works so well in cutting down your belly fat, and it helps so much for flushing out the colon, yeah, leaving you with a healthy stomach. So I have half cut of lemon already. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be squeezing that into this, yeah, squeezing that into it. Okay guys, so if your lemon is actually small, you can put a whole lemon, but if it's actually big, you can use half of it. So you have to mix that up and also set that aside. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing is garlic. Now this is actually very helpful in the body. It helps to remove cold. It also helps to remove stubborn fat. Mixing it with green tea alongside with other natural great wonderful ingredients. Okay, so how we're going to be doing that is that we're going to be peeling the garlic, removing the peel. Okay, so now we're going to be peeling this. Alright, so here is the garlic, and I'm going to be crushing it with the help of my little mortar. Of course, you can blend it or however you want to crush it, yeah? You crush it. Okay, so this is my crushed garlic, and would have to be putting it in here. So you just take everything and then you dip it in here. Now we'll give it a stir. So after that is done, then you now bring in the coconut milk, yeah. Now this is actually optional. You can either drink it this way, okay, which is stronger, or you can dilute it with a little bit of coconut milk, okay, which would help to change the taste and sweeten the taste a little more. But you drinking it this way is more ideal, okay? So this is it, and now you can sieve this all out, or you can choose to drink it this way, okay? I recommend you drink it this way and take in all of the garlic inside of you, because it's actually going to help so well. Okay, now drink this every night, okay, and for 2 weeks, guys. Man, you're going to notice that those stubborn fats. And yeah guys, when you're drinking this, also avoid the intake of too much of alcohol and fatty food, okay? Because when you take this and then you're still taking more of those fatty food, it's not going to like work, okay? But you have to avoid some of those fatty food for this ingredient to work. And also carbohydrates. Okay, let me have a take and tell you what it tastes like. Alright guys, so this tastes a little pepperish because of the garlic, but the taste is really friendly. But of course, if you want this to work really well, just like I said initially, you have to skip the coconut milk and use honey or you can skip it and take it that way. The taste is gonna be a little sloppy in the mouth. Okay, this is good. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you did enjoy watching it. Drink this just like I earlier said, and be rest assured that when you avoid these things that I earlier told you in the beginning of this video, you are going to be on your way to having a very flat, belly and a trim body and a very nice and shaped physique. You know that. Okay, so I'll see you soon in my next video. If you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Ciao.